how to activate a new Tigo chip. In this video, I'll explain exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, take your new Tigo chip and put it into your phone. If your phone has 2 SIM card slots, make sure to put it in the one you use for internet. Now turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on your mobile data. This helps the activation process. Next, open your phone's browser and go to the website activate.tigo.com.sv. This is where you'll start the activation. Once you're on the EI website, tap on the Start button and follow the instructions. You'll need to scan the barcode on your chip. If your phone can't scan it, you can type in the last 9 numbers under the barcode. After that, choose the type of ID you have, like your national ID card. You'll be asked to take a photo of the front and back of your ID. Make sure the pictures are clear and taken in good light. Then check that all your information is correct. If something is wrong, you can fix it. Once everything looks good, read the terms and conditions, tick the box to agree, and tap Confirm. Now turn on airplane mode for a few seconds, then turn it off. This helps your phone connect to the Tigo network. To get your welcome benefits, you need to add at least $0.50 of credit to your new line. You can do this by visiting the Mi Tigo website. And that's it. That's how you can activate your new Tigo chip.